Hey guys, it's Kevin. Today I'm going to go over this wireless microphone from Lavalier. If you do YouTube or TikTok, your quality of your sound is going to play an important role for your audience. When you purchase this, make sure you select either for iPhone or for Android USB-C type. And inside the back, you're going to find two windscreen, which is for you to record outdoors when you have the wind, or you use lots of light plosive words. For example, if you're a farmer, you need to say Peter picks peppers and potatoes. Or you're a New Yorker, you need to pronounce scallops. And those windscreen going to help you. And this USB-C cord is not for the microphone, it's for the charging case. Inside the black charging case, you're going to have two microphone and adapter. Again, the adapter, if you bought an iPhone, you're going to have an iPhone adapter. If you have Android, you will need to get an Android adapter. I'm going to switch the sound source to the iPhone itself so we can compare the recording with the microphone and without. This is the indicator, and the number 2 is the power. Number 3 is noise cancellation button. Number 4 is the built-in microphone. Number 5 is the charging port. Number 6 is the clip. It's the plug. It is the indicator. Okay, a little bit of torture, wasn't it? Okay, I switch back to the studio. Anyway, so this case, you plug the USB-C charging cord in, and it's gonna charge both microphones. I want to mention, if you have an iPhone and this plug, the USB-C plug cannot be plugged into the socket. Instead, you plug in a real iPhone cord into this socket and connect this adapter to your iPhone. And this is only when you need to charge your iPhone, and in the real recording you don't need the iPhone cable. To use it is very simple, and you just plug the adapter in and press the power button on the microphone, and you're going to see the indicator on the microphone turns white and you're ready to record. Isn't that simple? So right now I'm using the microphone to record it, and I'm going to compare the quality to one with microphone and without microphone now. So now I'm unplugging. Okay, so you can see this says there's no microphone, and now is the recording quality from the iPhone. Now I plug in the microphone now, and now is the recording quality with a microphone. So I guess this one will muff the sound a little bit. So if I have a windy situation, or you pronounce a lot of things with a P, potato. Okay, let's compare the sound with noise cancellation. Let me turn on this fan. Yeah, this lab fan I have to turn it on for the safety purpose. This is why every time I shoot a video, I'll mention I'm in the lab, so there'll be noises. To turn on the noise cancellation, we're going to click this key here, click this here, and the indicator will going to turn green. Click. Okay, now it's in the noise cancellation mode, and so it's supposed to cancel the noise. So we're gonna stand right below and let me just walk back so I have less background noise. See the quality. Okay, now I turn off the noise cancellation. Okay, now it's off. And now we're gonna turn on the reverb mode. Okay, let me turn the fan off first. For the reverb mode, when we're recording, I click the power button once. It's going to turn into a reverb mode, and the indicator is going to be yellow. Okay, or it's more like orange. And if I want to mute, turn into the mute mode, I double click the power button, so the power button, the indicator is going to turn red. And it's recording again. Okay, I'm going to walk outside and show you the recording quality outside. And we're in an industrial park, and there are also lots of background noises. I put the windbreaker on, and I'm going to walk towards the Pack TV company. There are some noises. Let me turn on my noise cancellation. The Pack TV company, they are making those styrofoam containers. So if you order something from DoorDash, probably they're making those. This is the Pack TV factory. It's really noisy every day. Let me turn off the noise cancellation so you can compare. Now I have the noise cancellation off. Oh, I forgot to show you if I only use iPhone, not using the external microphone, what's the sound look like. So I walk this way, and actually this is next door. It's called Handy Clean. Guess what kind of company it is? Oh, by the way, right now I'm recording only using the iPhone. At first I thought they're a maid company, and so there are lots of big fat dude coming out. I was like, those guys don't look like a maid to me. And eventually I figured out they are not a maid. They wholesale cleaning supplies and those stuff. That's why I call it Handy Clean. Okay, now I'm back to my company, BCH Technologies. Okay, I hope I sufficiently torture you with iPhone and show you the importance to have external microphone when you shoot YouTube and TikTok videos. I hope you enjoyed this video. Visit us at www.bchtechnologies.com or locally at Greensboro, North Carolina. Cheers.